Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off this device's location. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now green. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and look for location section, then click on it. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to use location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!